To broadcast a message on WhatsApp, start by opening the app. Next, tap the three dots and select Broadcast from the options. From there, you can choose multiple people to add to your broadcast list, with a maximum of 256 recipients. Once you've selected all the desired contacts, tap the check icon to confirm. After creating your broadcast list, any message you send will be distributed to all the individuals on the list to manage your broadcast list. Tap the three dots again and select Broadcast List Info. From this section, you can rename the list or add more recipients by tapping Edit Recipients. This allows you to make any necessary changes to the list with these steps. You can easily create and manage a WhatsApp broadcast list to send messages to multiple people at once.